Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is third part of video lecture for class 8, History, chapter 6, Colonialism and the Cities. Students, today we will study planning a New Delhi. Student, British were aware of importance of Delhi. So, a lot of spectacular events were organized at Delhi. In this effort, Viceroy Lytton organized a grand darbar in Delhi on the occasion of to declare the Queen Victoria as Empress of India. Student, British knew very well that Mughal Emperor was still important for Indians. All Indian respected Mughal Emperor as their king. They respect him very much. To abolish this importance, British wanted to attract the attention of people towards these events. In this effort, when King George V was crowned as King of Britain, on this occasion in 1911, a grand darbar was also held in India. And on this occasion, this was announced to shift the capital of India from Kolkata to Delhi. British tried their best to abolish the importance of British Emperor, Mughal Emperor. Student, Delhi was built on 10 square mile area on Raisina Hill. So many buildings were to be built. Secretariat House, Viceroy House were to be built. Government officials were built on 2 square mile. In this Viceroy building, this consists of Viceroy building as well as both the side Secretariat. To build this building, central domes were taken from the architecture of Stupa of Sanchi. whereas screens or jali and red sandstone was adopted by Mughal architecture. Earlier, the path which was known as Kingsway, at present this was known as Janpath 10. This was also kept in mind that buildings being built should be higher than Mughal buildings. Lutyens and Herbert Baker were given responsibility to plan Delhi. They always kept in mind that height of Viceroy building must be higher than Shah Jahan's Jama Masjid. New Delhi was planned in very well manner. This was richly supplied with clean water. Sufficient trees were planted to provide fresh air. Rows of buildings were very good. Drainage system was in well mannered. All the things British did. They wanted to abolish importance of Mughal emperor. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with Corona.